Hey everyone. So I'm going to try something a little different today. I purchased a handleless blow dryer from Walgreens, but Amazon does have them, and they are on my influencer page. If you click on the link below, they run a little like $21, I think. So we're going to try this. It does have a cool setting, so it won't dry the paint and skim it. And I did put one of the attachments on. It comes with 3 attachments. 2 of them are pick attachments, which I may try in the future with something else. But today we're just going to go ahead and give this a shot and see how it works. So I already laid my black down, and I did it pretty thick so I can have paint move around. And I'm just going to pour some paint on there, oops, or there, and just blow it around a little bit. So let's just start. And these do have silicone in them, so we'll see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and start blowing. You're going to listen to the hairdryer. I'm not one to edit videos, so just watch your volume button. I'm not sure how loud it's going to get, but let's give it a shot. Okay, so we have one color down, and I'm just going to keep adding color to it. One layer at a time, because I may stop at a certain color, so. The only bad thing about this is you can't turn the speed, so it has to be on high all the time. what I'm doing now is getting some more black in there, and I'm just going to touch it up with a little bit of a light pink. It does pull your paint off the canvas. Okay, so it's pretty crazy. Not a lot of paint left on there because I blew a lot of it off. The nice thing was there was no heat on that, so you really can blow around. The only thing is the speed, and it's not adjustable, so it would be great for bigger canvases, I think. This was a canvas that I washed off and repoured on, so I didn't really care. This was kind of an experiment to see how it would work. I'm going to put a little bit of darker in these, but I'm going to use the airbrush on those because I don't want to blow all the paint off again. Whoops. That's not good. Let's just throw it on the floor. Okay. I cut my finger the other day on a wired painting right on the tip of my finger, and it hurts so bad. I almost thought I needed stitches. But I was taking pictures and it slid, and I went to grab it. Not a good idea. So I'm just putting it here and there. I don't want to chuck the canvas, so maybe we can make something pretty. I have some of that in there. I'm not going to put any more in. Let's see what happens with the airbrush. So I'm going to push it down first, and then I'll push it out. Yeah, it doesn't have a lot of paint to move with it because the hairdryer took it all off. But we're going to go back in with the lighter one, or another color, just to... Actually, we might go black. I just needed a little more color. Okay. Grab a little bit of black. I lost my purple. I guess I'm going to go this way. So if you have a hairdryer at home that has cold air on it, you could try that. I think a bigger canvas would be better, so you can move the paint farther. I could have just put a little bit here and blew it all the way up there probably and got maybe a better result. But I like anything that looks blown around and abstracty, so I'm not minding this at all. Let's see. This needs something here and here. And then I'll take the light pink. I didn't want one color to dominate. I wanted all those pinks to show up. Come to the party. Okay, we have a mismatch here. That could use a tad of black. Oops, I'm gonna put that back in there. There's all that black underneath. Well, that is definitely abstract, isn't it? Let me torch it and see if we get any more cells. So I think once all this paint settles down and fills in, it is pretty cool though. I'm getting a few cells here and there. So I'm going to keep playing with this torch here. Okay. Let me just wipe the bottom off and then I'll pick it up and move it a little bit. See where it goes. So while I'm doing that, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below and click on the bell. You'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. And please leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. And I have a bunch of links below for my Amazon store and my Etsy shop and Facebook. And one little puddle of cells there needs to go that way. But yeah, that's kind of cool. Maybe a close-up. A close-up. Pretty cool. I kind of like that. It's different. Now I'm going to want to make more. Oh, and the runoff's pretty. I could probably pull some skins off of that. So thanks for watching, guys. Experiment finished. The hairdryer again is on the Amazon link below, as well as my airbrush and all the supplies that I use. So check it out. If you want to purchase something, go ahead. I'm an affiliate, so I do get paid a small affiliate fee, commission type stuff, and it helps me out. Helps me buy more products so I can keep your videos fresh. And also I have a link below if you'd like to sponsor my channel or just leave a tip. So that helps too. Keeps the supplies coming in and helps me make more videos for you. So have a great weekend, guys. I'm going to go ahead and upload this today. It's Saturday. and you can have fun watching it. But be nice on the comments, please. I'm just kidding. I can take it. I have thick skin. So have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye now.